guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone not making any calls. So first of all, make sure that your SIM is reading by your device. If you see some signal on your top right or maybe your top left, you will see that your SIM is being read by your phone or not. In my case, my phone's signal or my SIM card signal is full. So make sure that you also see a couple lines. Next, make sure the number that you're trying to call is not blocked or is registered. At times when that is not the case, you cannot call people or the number. Thirdly, head over to your settings. In here, select connections. Go for SIM manager. And likewise, make sure all the SIM that you see here is turned on or toggle this on. And in case you have locked the SIM card, you won't be able to see any signals and you won't be able to make calls. So for that, select more SIM settings, select SIM card security, and if you have locked them, if you have locked any of the SIM, you will see it right here. Go ahead, unlock them, restart your device, and it will solve your problem.